It's our fitness party, baby. Okay, come on back. Were the lights red when you walked up?
No.
No, they were white.
No, they were red.
They were?
Yeah.
That is so weird. Were they red when you came up? Yeah, I think they changed this. Okay, everybody's up right here. Pushing those weights together. Every rep, think about squeezing these muscle fibers together. Okay? And your hands are slightly towards your knees. So directly above your chest. We take the right side down. Breathe in. And press it up. Squeeze together. Big breath in. Blow out. Squeeze tight. Make sure that looks good. Good Foxy, good Dana. Good Terry. Excellent. Perfect Jillian. Perfect Shimply. Excellent Swati. And Joe. Great. Good job, babe. All right, y'all are on fire. Keep going. Whoop, whoop. Stay strong. Big breath in. Exhale. Squeeze together. Big breath in. And blow out strong. One more on each side. Good job. Squeeze. Okay, this next one, we're going to bring both arms down. Elbows on the ground. And your wrist is above your elbow. Tiny little ones right here, slow and controlled. And squeeze. Tightening, toning, building that lean muscle. Go. 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 You can do it. Don't quit. 2 more. 1 more. All the way to the top. Squeeze together. Hold. 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 Rest. Nice. Woo. Good job. Awesome job. Shh. What you say? You're like, I know.
I
It's
can go.
Swati. Okay, y'all. We're going to start up here. Push those weights together. Make sure your weights are above the chest. We're pressing the low back into the mat, okay? You get a slight pelvic tilt. Okay? Right here. Push those weights together. And both arms come down. Breathe in. Blow out. Squeeze together. Every rep. Good. Big breath in as you come down. Blow out, squeezing together. That looks good. Big breath in. And blow out, squeeze. Every rep, think about squeezing these muscle fibers together. Good job. Squeezing these muscles together. Those are great, strong. Good job. Nice, looks good. Big breath in. Blow out, squeeze tight. Good job. Really good, strong. Good. And squeeze it up. Good, baby. Stay strong, keep going. You have 4 more. Breathe in, blow out. Squeeze these muscles together, every rep. Big breath in, blow out strong. Okay, let's go for 2 more. 2 more. 1